is text-indent property? Well, text-indent property represents CSS property that we can use to set indentation for first line of text. So basically, with text-indent CSS property, we can define space that will appear at the beginning of every new line of your text paragraph. For text-indent CSS property, we can use various units, pixels, and values, points, etc. Okay, let's see some examples. For this part, I have already prepared simple HTML document structure. Our HTML document has a head and a body, and inside of body, I have defined text paragraph with some dummy lorem ipsum text inside of it. Inside of head, we have just title for this HTML document. I save this document like index.html on the desktop. So let's minimize our text editor. And this is our index web page, so let's open it. And this is how our web page looks like for now. Okay, so first thing that I want to do, for our text paragraph, let's define class HTML attribute. Okay, and like value, let's define indent. Okay, now inside of head, let's define style block, where we're gonna define all CSS styles for this HTML document. So basically, inside of style, I want to create indent class selector. So with indent class selector, I want to select our class indent. Okay, so let's start with the dot, then indent. Let's define the declaration block, and inside of it, let's define text indent. Okay, like value for this one, let's set, for example, 30 pixels. Okay, now let's save these changes, and let's go back in our web browser. If we refresh it, you can see that now we have set text indentation of 30 pixels for first line of our text paragraph. Okay, let's analyze our web page. Let's click on right click and inspect. Now on the right hand side, you can see structure of our HTML document. So let's expand head. Let's expand body. Okay, this is our indent class selector that we have defined. Inside of body, this is text paragraph. So let's click on it. Down here, you can see our indent class selector with the text indentation or text indent, CSS property and value 30 pixels. So basically, if we uncheck this value, you can see how our text paragraph will look like without this property. Okay. Also, if you click on this value here, you can use arrows up and down to increase or decrease this value. This is good for some fine-tunings if you want. Okay. And also, instead of pixels, you can use other units. For example, you can use values. You can use points. Or you can use even percentages. So this is basically how you can use text-indent CSS property, so feel free to play around with this. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and I hope this was helpful to you. If you like our work, please become our Patreon or simply donate or PayPal. Please remember, even a little from you means a lot for us. You can follow us on our Twitter and Instagram profiles, and please don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube channel, because on our YouTube channel, knowledge is waiting for you.